Aye. Bang biddy biddy biddy
Guys,
aye.
forward this.
Say how would you like to smoke some weed? Yeah. Say how would you like to smoke some weed? Yeah. Me have some marijuana in the house that I would like to smoke with you. Yeah. Oh. How would you like to smoke some weed?
You disturb me, reduce that to me.
How would you like to
You know the
smoke
kind
some
enjoyment why they make for this scene.
We have some marijuana in my house that I would like.
See, you know who sang this song?
How would you like to smoke some weed? Yeah.
I don't know listen.
How would you like?
I don't say you don't know. Now one of my friends from Botswana now. Now they rock life together for that side.
No, Zachariah. Daddy wise, you, Posona. Hey, you are the see for Zook every day.
See, you know what they carry me, they work out and down for all those countries. Now this thing,
Okay. Now, qual bro, I do you. I don't know now. No be your fault. Rubbish, but.
How would you like to smoke some weed? How would you like to smoke some weed?
Now I don't know.
We have some marijuana in my house that I would like to smoke with you. Yeah. It's this girl and I see her every day. 'Cause every day she a come around my way till one day me notice that she have me. So I come. How would you like to smoke some weed? Yeah. How would you like to smoke some weed? Yeah. May I have some marijuana in my house that I would like to smoke.